Hi friends, I'm Parviz and this is our 22nd video in Python for Data Science and our 8th video in Matplotlib. In the previous video we have covered line controlling in Matplotlib. In this video we are going to cover histograms in Matplotlib. First of all, what's histogram? Basically histogram charts are a graphical display of frequencies represented as bars. They show what portion of the dataset falls into each category. Usually it's specified as non-overlapping intervals that Matplotlib calls those categories as a bins. Histogram plots group up values into the bins, and by default histogram uses a bin value of 10, but you can customize that by adding additional parameter to the histogram. Okay, now we are going to make our histogram. The first thing I'm going to make a new Python file. Call it histogram. I'm going to import numpy as in p. Also, I'm importing matplotlib.pyplot as plt, like this. Okay. After that, I'm defining an numpy array of h in p.array, and I give a random h from 9 to I give it like this: 20, 21, 22, 23, 26, 27, 30, 31, 33, 35, 36, 40, 41, 42, 43, and another 50, 51, 56, 50, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 70, 71, 78, 75, 80, 81, 82, 90, 91, 93, 94, and 100. Okay, like this. After that, I'm making a bins np.array. We have mentioned in the description that histogram plots grouped the value in the bins. Okay. Now we give from 0 to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay. Now we are going to plt.hist, and we give our age like this. After that, we give our bins, and if we run this, let me show this plt.show. You can see that now we have a histogram, but it's I think it's not good looking. The first thing you should add some parameters in here. The first one, you should change the hist type to bar, and give a width of 0.8. okay. Now if I run this, you can see that now I have a histogram from 0, this is 0, this is 10, 20, we have 30, 40, 60, 80, and up to 100. Thank you guys. This was our histogram. video. And if you have any question, please let me know. And for the further videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.